Your financial decisions
Your
are the
decisions
blueprint of your
are
future.
shaping your
One
future.
wrong move can set you back years, but the right choice can change everything. This is Finance with AI, and today I'll show
The
you how
future
to make
is not
smarter
just
money
about
moves,
technology
avoid
or
dangerous
trends.
traps, and build a future of financial freedom. Stay till the end, because the final strategy will completely change how you look at money forever. Every dollar is a decision. Spend recklessly, and you're borrowing from your future self. Save and invest wisely, and your future self thanks you with freedom. Financial stress doesn't just drain your wallet, it impacts health, relationships, even the way your brain makes decisions. That's why money choices are never small. They echo into every part of your life. Most people fall into the same traps. 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. 2. Using credit to chase lifestyle upgrades. 3. Having zero emergency savings. 4. Thinking investing is too risky, so they don't invest at all. These mistakes silently rob you of freedom. The truth, avoiding them puts you ahead of 80% of people financially. And with AI-powered money apps, it's easier than ever to spot these traps before they swallow you. Budgeting isn't about cutting joy. It's about giving your money direction. One of the simplest and most powerful methods is the 50/30/20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. AI-driven apps now track this for you automatically, sending alerts when you overspend and suggesting smarter ways to save. Think of AI as your personal money coach, always watching your back. Saving smart is not about throwing money into a low-interest account. Inflation kills lazy savings. The smarter move: automate savings, use high-yield accounts, and set AI-driven goals that adjust to your lifestyle. The earlier you start, the less you need to save later, because compounding does the heavy lifting. Investing isn't gambling. It's about letting your money work while you sleep. But here's the problem. Most people either chase hype or freeze from fear. That's where AI comes in. AI-driven platforms can analyze thousands of assets, spot trends, and suggest diversification strategies tailored to your risk level. The golden rule: don't try to time the market. Focus on time in the market. That's how wealth compounds. Financial security doesn't mean being rich. It means having protection, emergency funds, insurance, retirement plans, and investments that grow while you live your life. With AI tools, building this safety net has never been easier. True wealth isn't about luxury. It's about freedom. Every financial choice is shaping your future, whether you realize it or not. Use wisdom, use discipline, and now, use AI to make smarter decisions. If this video gave you value, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs financial clarity. This is Finance
Your
with AI,
future,
where your
your
smarter
choice.
money future begins.